So my partner Mark Hayden and I have really got tired of seeing all these people charging $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000 to $4,000 for online mentorship, and it really drives us crazy because we know that you don't need to spend that kind of money on mentorship. Really what you need is to learn how to do affiliate marketing. What you need is to learn how to find an offer that people want to buy and then send traffic to that offer and build an email list to promote that offer on the back end. And then what you need is multiple income streams through an entire funnel. That's all you need. You don't need coaching, you don't need a mentor, you don't need contract deals or any of that stuff. Really all you need is to grow a list and then promote products to that list, okay? In the health and fitness niche, in the bodybuilding niche, in the finance niche, in the day trading niche, in the make money niche, whatever niche you're in, you can make money with it, okay? All you gotta do is build a targeted email list and then do that. So what Mark Hayden and I want to do is give you this system completely free. It doesn't cost you anything, and we're going to give you 50% commission on every single product inside the funnel, as well as exclusive access to our done for you Google ad campaigns, which are converting really well right now.